Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have nice conditions out there this morning. Temperatures rising into the lower to mid 40s already. We're seeing sunny skies out there. Continue to see sunny skies. A period of perhaps partly cloudy skies for the afternoon. Look at the weather of the past 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region. Seeing temperatures below normal for this time of year. 52 was the popular number yesterday across the south and southwestern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Richmond, Langley, Norfolk, and Newport News at 52 degrees. Here at Wallops, we saw 50 yesterday. Most of the locations to the north and the west were in the mid to upper 40s. Across the region last night, did see temperatures dropping to the lower 30s at Richmond and Baltimore at 31 degrees. Here at Wallops, we were at 35 degrees. Most of the locations in the lower to mid 30s. As of 9 a.m., we're seeing sunny skies to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Here at Wallops, we are 40 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Looking at our sounding this morning, our freezing level is at 1,100 feet. We have a northwesterly wind at 27 knots at 1,000 feet. Winds remain about 20 to 30 knots throughout the column this morning. Our peak wind is at 1,000 feet at 27 knots this morning. We do have winds anywhere from the northwest to the west-southwest as we go up in height this morning. Looking at our 12Z surface analysis, we have an area of low pressure across the western portion of the upper plains this morning. It's going to be dropping down into the Great Lakes and the Tennessee Valley as we move into tonight, into tomorrow. It's going to skirt south of our region for Sunday. It's going to allow us to have a fairly good setup for our possible USIP launch tonight, as we'll have this area low pressure that's currently across the Canadian Maritimes continue to move off to the north and to the east. High pressure across the Great Lakes, especially the eastern Great Lakes, is going to continue to build into our region. Looking at our broad charts the next few days, this is for our Friday midday planner. We'll have a fairly tight pressure gradient across the region, allowing for us to have slightly breezy northwesterly winds, possibly peaking out near that 25-knot wind advisory criteria this afternoon. We'll have to continue to monitor the winds this afternoon, as they will be around 25 knots. For Friday night, we'll have mostly clear skies in general. You see the system starting to move towards the western portion of the Great Lakes into the Tennessee Valley for tonight. But across our region, as I mentioned, we'll have clear skies, fairly light winds out of the northwest. Moving to our Saturday morning, looking at the system continue to build south of our region, high pressure holding on across the Mid-Atlantic region. We'll see an increase of upper level cloudiness west of the region. But for Saturday morning, we'll have mostly clear skies, fairly light winds out of the northwest, and temperatures near freezing. And for our Saturday PM planner, looking at increase of cloudiness over the Wallops region, we'll have this area of weak low pressure moving south of the area, high pressure building into our region, keeping us dry. But we'll have that upper level cirrus cloudiness building in. And looking at Sunday, we'll have area high pressure that was over the Great Lakes shift to the northeast. It's going to allow us to set up a pressure gradient between an area of low pressure developing off the coast and this high pressure over our region, giving us stronger northeast flow for Sunday afternoon, and possibility of some light sprinkles or even a light flurry for Sunday afternoon, as we'll have a disturbance moving through from the north. Looking at our risk chart for today, no chance of precipitation or lightning. The only risk we have is a possibility of seeing that wind gust near 25 knots for the afternoon into the early evening hours. See a high around 51 degrees today. Tonight we'll see a low around 32. Winds decreasing tonight out of the north, northwest, and northwest to 6 to 11 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we have a few clouds at 17,000 feet. We'll have a likely scenario we have clear skies from now till noon, and then afternoon we'll develop some fair weather cumulus or stratocu across the region. A few at 4,000 feet, chance we go scattered. By this evening into the overnight hours, we'll see just some upper level cirrus cloudiness, and by 8 o'clock Saturday morning, we'll just see a scatter deck at 25,000 feet. Our tides are a half to 1 foot above normal. And looking into the weekend, we'll see Saturday being mostly sunny in the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy with that upper level cloudiness moving in. By late afternoon evening, we'll have a high of 49 degrees. For Saturday night, we'll have mostly cloudy skies and cold temperatures, a low of 31. Green chart for both Saturday and Saturday night. Then Sunday, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies and breezy by the afternoon. Slight chance of a sprinkle or flurry during the afternoon. We'll have a high of 46. See here, have an orange for our winds on Sunday afternoon. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have temperatures below normal through at least Tuesday of next week. Looks like 51 today, upper 40s for Saturday. Sunday and Monday we'll have that high pressure of the northeast states. That's going to set up a marine layer coming onshore during the afternoon hours, especially across the Wallops region, giving us more cloudiness and mostly cloudy skies during the afternoon. And Tuesday we'll see that high ridge down the coastal plain of the Mid-Atlantic, giving us more sunny skies to partly cloudy skies, a slight warming trend, 52 degrees, and we'll actually see temperatures at or above normal for Wednesday and Thursday, as we'll have a cold front starting to approach from the west. Looks like right now we will stay dry both of those days, but cannot rule out a sprinkle or a light rain shower on both Wednesday or Thursday. Well, that's going to complete the weather brief today. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.